How to recover my Facebook account after hack. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to recover your Facebook account after being hacked. So all you have to do now, go to your browser. After you open your browser like this now, go to search and search for m.facebook, this one. So go to this website, m.facebook.com/hacked, this one. After you open this website now, I'll give you the link in the comment section of this video. Go to this, my account is compromised. So from this option now, go ahead and type in your email address or phone number. I'll use phone number. So after you type in your phone number like this now, tap on this continue button. So here, as you can see now, here it says choose your account. Remember, as you can see here, remember, hackers sometimes change names and profile pictures. So just go ahead and choose one of this. I'll go ahead and choose this one. So after you choose this one, now tap on this recover option. So if you tap on this recover option now, you can go ahead now and recover your Facebook account. That's it, guys, on how to recover my Facebook account after hacked. That's it on how to recover hacked Facebook account. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe.